Welcome to this course on retail analytics, where you will learn both the theoretical concepts as well as the implementation of various marketing models and strategies in Microsoft Excel. My name is Abhishek, and along with my co-instructor Pukhraj, I will be leading you through this course. As instructors, our courses have been enrolled by over 250,000 people worldwide. We both hold engineering and MBA degrees and have experience of data analytics consulting industry. While doing our jobs, we realized that more and more companies are looking for data-driven decision makers, and especially in retail industry, there is a huge demand for marketing managers with understanding of analytics. We designed this course for people who wish to join such companies or retailers who wish to increase their profitability using proven marketing strategies. If you put 1 hour a day regularly in this course, within 10 days you will be able to create analytical models in Excel and analyze them to figure out which strategy works the best for your business. We start this course by learning how to create predictive models which we can use to forecast sales of our products. Then we learn market basket analysis and lift of products so that we know which products sell together. This information helps us decide the layout of our store or of our e-commerce website. We then learn how to do RFM analysis, which is a very popular technique for identifying target customer segment for promotional communications. The next segment is on pricing strategies, where you can compare different strategies and use the one which maximizes your revenue. Lastly, we learn how to find out customer lifetime value so that we know how much we can spend on customer acquisition. The ideal student for this course is a marketing professional who wants to expand on current skills, or a student who wants to have a career as a marketing analyst. There are no prerequisites for this course. We only ask that you do practical exercises side by side. If you have any doubt or query throughout the course, you can post them in the discussion forum. I will be personally solving all your doubts. So feel free to have a look at the course description, and we look forward to seeing you inside.